and I'm back with another video, okay? Y'all probably like, why she come in here looking all dusty and whatnot? Like, girl, what are you doing? Look, it's okay, because look, I'm coming to out with this big basket of clothes. So, I have decided to do a closet mashup. Basically, I'm taking, a bunch of clothes out of my closet and just, forming outfits because, look, I can't necessarily do a haul for y'all right now because, one, I refuse to buy clothes where I'm not where I want to be yet. Like, my body needs some work and I'm gonna get there, okay, best believe it, okay? Secondly, I haven't really bought like anything for me for real since fall, which is like the beginning of my birthday, September, really, because I've just been in school, and when I go to school I wear leggings and sweatpants and just chill stuff, and I wear jeans occasionally when I feel like, hey, I just want to pop out a little bit, just a little bit, nothing too much, just a little bit. And I haven't like gone out for real either, so it's like I really don't be buying anything because yeah. So best believe springtime and summertime I will have so many hauls for you guys. But I'm showing y'all what I have because I always come y'all with something music related and makeup related, but nothing like really fashion related. So probably see that like a lot of my clothes first of all are thrifted. Secondly, my style is more like the vintagey, like I don't know. I really do like vintage type of inspired looks, or like just like older. I don't keep up with trends or anything, so yeah. I'm more of like a down to earth type of girl, and like I like warm tones. I love orange and nudes and yellows and burnt. That's just me. That's just said, okay? I'm gonna get into these clothes, into these outfits because I have a good amount for you guys. So stay tuned, keep watching, and yeah, you are now watching Disney Channel. That was not it. So the first outfit I chose is I would call this an iconic 18th, because this is what I wore my 18th birthday last September. It was really outdoor friendly. It wasn't too resisting. I could still dance for my birthday. And yeah, so it was cool. Everything was so cool. I totally love this look. It's super cute, And then to really make this outfit an outfit, I had this platinum blonde bob, and like that really made the outfit. It like really complemented all the colors. Definitely the pink and blonde definitely look so good together. This whole outfit is from Forever 21, and yeah. So this next look I have, this shirt, this white shirt is from like Rainbow, I believe, and it's a white crop. These pants, they're from Target. This is a Tommy Hilfiger little like vest. It's actually like full length. So this is, these are some wide leg capri pants with so yeah, this is the second outfit. A little bit of thrift, this a little bit of Target expensive stuff. Some shoes that was on sale at Payless. Okay, don't see on Payless, baby. Got some cute shoes, okay? When daggone well you're gonna be paying like $40–50 for this on Fashion Nova. Goodbye. Okay, so this next outfit is pretty chill and plain. Honestly, I just paired, I got this shirt on like 3 years ago. These pants, I do them from j.cole. These honestly are some pants that I probably want to wear. I would probably honestly do like, that is so cute. A cute updo. But I mean, the hair down is cute too. These green glasses really just add an extra touch to the look. Yeah. So this right here, this is originally a dress. So shorten the strap so that it can look more as a vest. And I just paired it with a gray shirt a gray turtleneck that I thrifted, a beret that I got from the beauty supply store, a yellow one, just to give some tones, you know. Okay, and these are some cute jeans that I got from Target. Okay, I paired it with these cute little simple heels. I would definitely prefer to wear brown heels, but I don't have any. Paired with these yellow glasses, probably. It's a really nice color coordinated, warm toned type of outfit. It probably does get like more of a 70s type of feel or whatever, but I like this outfit a lot. This jacket is one of my favorite jackets. Okay, I got this jacket off of Agassi. So I got this turtleneck from the thrift store. Got these jeans from the thrift store. They're just some regular jeans. The next look, it's a super cute outfit. I love this shirt. It complements me well. I love the light blue jeans with this. Red and like an extra 90s look to it. This is super cute and chill. I got this shirt from Agassi, and these are the same thrifted jeans. So these are two ways you can wear this outfit. I mean, like some sister type vibes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, super cute. So this is pretty chill. Super cute that I have like a little pocket in the back. So this is a bodysuit from Forever 21. The jeans are thrifted as well. And this is the same mesh shirt that I wore in the previous outfit that I got from Rainbow. And these glasses are actually from Rainbow as well. I think this is like super cute and chill. We're finally at the last outfit. So last outfit I chose was probably my cutest, chillest outfit. So this is suede set. These are from two different brands. All the things from Juicy Couture, and these suede sweatpants are by Champion. So I actually found these at Costco. Okay, don't sleep on Costco. They be having some name brand clothes for the love. Not really for the love, but I mean, they be having some good deals or whatever. So this is really the back of the shirt, but I chose to flip it because it's just like, who just want to be looking at this? You know, so I just like to flip it over. I would tie it up a little, make it cropped, and then these sweatpants. So the last outfit, and I truly enjoyed making this video. Please go on my IGTV, okay, y'all? Because I made this dope playlist for y'all, and like, YouTube just kept copyrighting me. Like, they really want to see me do it because I'm tired of trying to copyright me when I'm trying to put out some videos for my supporters. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is always like, how doing? But dang, I worked hard on that. Seriously, you know. But it's okay, baby girl. I'm coming back. Okay, I'm coming back with a closet mashup, and it's still cute. I can't stop it. Besides that, it's like the end of Black History Month. So I mean, let's just think of all black people, all the black excellence. Let's have a moment of silence for them. Yes, I love y'all. I love my people. Okay, and yeah. So I hope you guys let me know which was your favorite outfit. If you have some questions, ask, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share. I love y'all.